This year's lecture was hosted on Tuesday, October 9th by the UK Martin School of Public Policy and Administration, alongside UK libraries and the College of Communication and Information. According to Olivia Oswald, the operations coordinator for the Martin School, this lecture has been hosted every year for the past 10 years. Douglas Brinkley, a well-known expert on U.S. presidents and American history, was the featured speaker and discussed presidential history and how that relates to American politics today. He reflected on the strategies and actions Vice President Kamala Harris and former President Donald Trump have taken in this election, as well as relating them to former presidents' pasts. Lakin Whitaker attended this event as an extra credit opportunity for her journalism class. Attendee Whitley Ford expressed her takeaway from the lecture, which was the importance of learning from presidents' past mistakes to better the future.